Dapat bombahin na yan ng walang warning pa. Pinagbantaan kasi ng National Security Council ang Chinese Embassy sa Maynila. Pag yan bumalik ulit at hindi tuluyang lumaya sa aming EEZ, magkagulo na kung magkakagulo. Patay, may ultimatum ka na, Wang Zhilian. Pero dapat palayasin na rin tong ambassador Wala namang ginagawa. Hinahayaan lang himasok sa teritoryo ng may teritoryo yung kapwa niyang mga Chinese. Apektado na kasi ang Filipino fisherman sa presensya ng monster ship. Lahat kasi nagsisilayuan pag andyan ng monster ship, hindi na makapangisda ng maayos.
In fact, we're challenging them every single day. Right now, we have 2 Philippine Coast Guard vessels shadowing them, closely monitoring them. We have sent assets also from the armed forces and from the Philippine Coast Guard aerial assets to continue monitoring them. And our maritime domain awareness has been focused specifically on the illegal presence of the Chinese Coast Guard vessel. Now, as to what future steps we are to undertake, the National Maritime Council already called for the withdrawal of this monster ship from Philippine waters. The NMC issued a statement yesterday asking the Chinese government to withdraw this monster ship because it is clearly an it's an illegal presence in our waters. But insofar as the objective of this presence, which is to intimidate our fishermen and intimidate us, we can clearly state that the intimidation tactics are not successful and that we remain resolved to support our Filipino fishermen, and we will not stop challenging their presence within Philippine waters.
Huwag nyo na kasing pagbantaan pa yung China. Mag-warning shot kayo agad. Magpaputok kayo. Pag hindi pa din umalis, birahin nyo na talaga. Total naman nandyan ang US Navy sa paligid sampulan nyo na agad ng mga Chinese. Kung magkakagulo, edi magkagulo talaga. Handa naman diba ang AFP sa any eventualities o gyera? May mga Pilipino rin naman na handang tumulong kung lumalaman ang tensyon.
Unified in securing what is rightfully and legally ours, we do not and will not dignify these scare tactics by backing down. We do not waver nor cower in the face of intimidation. But lately, we were surprised about the increasing aggression being shown by the People's Republic of China in deploying the monster ship. The presence of the monster ship in our waters is illegal and inconsistent with the exercise of freedom of navigation and innocent passage. It is clearly a provocative act. It is also a clear attempt to intimidate our fishermen and deprive them of their legitimate livelihood.
Dapat dyan wag Philippine Coast Guard na barko ang ipangtataboy Dapat yung BRP o Serizal na kargado ng missile. Tapos paputukan nyo agad pero wag nyo munang patamain. Kung hindi pa din aalis, tirahin nyo na agad. Dapat mas matapang kasi tayo kaysa sa mga Chinese. Ano sa palagay nyo? I-komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.